Welcome to EagleMindUSA, the place where sharp minds rise and quick thinkers win. Get ready to challenge your brain, test your speed, and prove your intelligence. Asterisk asterisk. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 1 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter Google. In the second puzzle, we have the word drive. Now combine them. What do we get? Google Drive. Yes, the answer is Google Drive. Asterisk asterisk. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 2 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter Apple. In the second puzzle, we have the word pay. Now combine them. What do we get? Apple Pay. Yes, the answer is Apple Pay asterisk asterisk. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 3 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter micro. In the second puzzle, we have the word app. Soft. Now combine them. What do we get? Microsoft. Yes, the answer is Microsoft. So tell us in the comments, did you guess it before the timer ended? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next puzzle.